Hello, dear. You're welcome to Design Slider Tech. You lost access to your Google account, and you could not get your Gmail, YouTube, Authenticator, and maybe you cannot access some social media connected to your Google account. Here, I am showing the step-by-step solution to recover your lost Google account. So first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store to search apps. Search for browsers. You will see a list of different browsers, including the ones you have already installed on your mobile phone. But what we need is any browser that we have never used before on this device. So in my case, I'll go for UC browser. I have never used it on this phone, so I will install it as a new browser. Once you are done installing the new browser, close Play Store and go to Google App. Hold down on Google App and select App Info. Go to Permission, then Location, and Don't Allow. Then go to Chrome browser and hold down on Chrome and select App Info. Here we are going to touch on two things: permission and browser app. Let's enter permission, then location, and don't allow. Go back and enter browser app. The default browser is set on Chrome. Change it to the new browser you just downloaded from Play Store. In my case, it is UC browser. Now, in case you don't have this interface, maybe your Chrome info looks different, you should look for something like Open by Default. Tap on it and tap on Clear Default. Next is to open the new browser you just downloaded. Mine is UC browser, and then open google.com. On Google homepage, tap on Sign In, enter the Gmail account that you want to recover, and click Next. Then Google will ask you to enter your password. Since you have already forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password. On the next screen, tap Try Another Way. You may follow these instructions to get a security code and come back here to input the code. But if you are asked about two-step verification, if you have added your phone number to this Google account, then use your phone number to continue. But if you don't have access to your phone number, click on Try Another Way, and you may see this kind of error. Could not sign you in. Now take this warning. Don't click Try Again. If you tap on Try Again multiple times, your Google account may be locked. Just leave this here and go to open your phone settings app. In phone settings, scroll down to open Google. At the top right hand, you should see the menu to get help. Sometimes the help icon looks like a question sign, which means help. Open it, go to search help and type lost or stolen phone. Select lost or stolen phone. A list of fixes will appear. Look for the one that says Fix Common Issues with Two-Step Verification and select it. It will take you to Phone Was Lost or Stolen. Look for the hypertext that says Recover Your Account, expand it, and select Account Recovery Steps. On the next screen, tap on the hypertext Account Recovery page. It automatically opens up my new UC browser. In case you have a pop-up to choose a browser, you must open it with the new browser you downloaded a few minutes ago. This takes us to Google page to recover your Google account. Enter your Gmail account that you want to recover. Go on Next and you will see success. Now click Change Password and set a strong new password. Confirm your new password and then change password. And boom, your password was changed and it takes you to your profile. Now go to the Security tab and update your mobile number to sign in, two-step verification, and recovery email to protect your Google account in the future.